Have you ever wondered what kind of mark you're leaving on the world? Beyond the day-to-day grind, how can you ensure that the work that you do today creates a lasting legacy for tomorrow? This is part 3 of our focus on leaving a legacy. We've talked about what we want to be known for, the importance of growing leaders, and today we're diving into the concept of long-term impact and how you can intentionally shape your actions to leave a meaningful imprint. Creating long-term impact isn't just for leaders of companies or big organizations. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, a community volunteer, or a CEO, the decisions you make and how you treat people today influences others for years to come. Here are 3 essential strategies to create a meaningful and lasting impact. Strategy 1 to creating a lasting legacy is to think beyond yourself. As a leader, thinking beyond yourself means recognizing the long-term cultural impact you're creating. Culture is the backbone of any organization, and it's shaped by the values, behaviors, and expectations that you model. Ask yourself, are you cultivating an environment of trust, accountability, and inclusion? The culture you build today will influence how your team operates and thrives long after you're gone. For example, prioritizing transparency and mutual respect sets the stage for a culture where people feel valued and empowered to do their best work. This isn't just about the immediate impact on performance or morale. A strong, positive culture becomes a self-sustaining legacy. It's the difference between a team that falters in your absence and one that continues to excel because of the foundation that you've built. To think beyond yourself, focus on how your leadership shapes the culture for the long haul. What values are you reinforcing? How are you fostering an environment where others can succeed and grow? By prioritizing the cultural legacy you leave, your impact will extend far beyond your tenure. Strategy 2 to creating a lasting legacy is to build with intention. Impact isn't accidental, it's intentional. Think about the goals and how they align with the legacy that you want to leave. Are you building systems, relationships, and structures that will outlast you? For example, are you fostering processes in your organization that will continue to thrive without your direct involvement? Building with intention means thinking about sustainability and designing your efforts in a way that they can endure challenges and changes over time. Whether it's creating a sustainable program at work, strengthening your family bond, or volunteering in your community, intentionality is key. Every single step adds to something bigger over time. Ask yourself, is what I'm building today something that will benefit others tomorrow? Strategy 3 to creating a lasting legacy is to inspire others to take action. When you share your vision, passion, values, you ignite a spark in others that motivates them to join the effort. This can mean encouraging a team to rally behind a cause, mentoring someone to step into a leadership role, or simply modeling behaviors that others want to emulate. Inspiration is contagious. When others are moved to act because of your influence, the ripple effect of your efforts grows exponentially. Think about how you can use your voice, your platform, and your actions to empower and inspire those around you. Impact isn't measured in immediate results, but in the legacy you leave behind. Make today and each day moving forward count for something bigger. Thank you for joining me today. If this helped you in any way, please like and share and subscribe for more leadership insights. Together, let's create an environment that lasts a lifetime. Until next time, strive to be a leader who inspires and leads with greatness.